Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your hostess, Sam. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! And I want to ask you a question. So, you've probably heard that in order to win government cleaning contracts, there are so many things you need to do. You have to register in SAMS, you have to make sure you have a capability statement, and it goes on and on and on. And you may be discouraged, right? You are just wanting to win your first bid or maybe another bid and get started. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do on how to win no bid government cleaning contracts. You ready? Let's go. So if you are registered in sam.gov, that's one of the requirements. And it's simple. You can follow the video that I have where it takes you step by step on what you need to do to register in sam.gov. Now, there are some contracts that you are able to win without being registered in sam.gov, and those are the ones that are called micro purchases. You may wonder, well, how would the contracting officer, who is the person that actually decides and signs the contract, going to find you? Well, one of the ways they're going to find you is going to be you marketing directly to them. When you market directly to the contracting officer with your introduction letter, there are 40% of the bids that are never put out for bid. 40% are what we call where you can do a micro purchase, a SAP, but all of these are what we call no bidding. It's where the contracting officer decides that your company is the absolute best, where they automatically are able to award you a contract, a cleaning contract, without any bidding at all. So there are agencies that want you to write down that do this all day, every day. Number one, Veteran Affairs. Number two, Homeland Security. Number three, FEMA. And number four is going to be Health and Human Services. Those four agencies do no bidding contracts a lot of the time. So the first thing you want to make sure is that you do have your website. The second thing is I would go ahead and register in SAMS. The third thing is start crafting that introduction letter. I've spoken about that time and time again. And the fourth thing is to make sure that you send them to these particular agencies. I have done research and they have utilized our services for no bidding more than any other agency currently right now. Now, if you want to know the fifth thing you can do so that you increase your chances with the three other ways that you're going to be able to do the no bidding. One is through sources sought. The other is when you are going to go on and find the existing contracts and then find out when they're going to expire. There's a way you can research to do that. And then the third thing is when you are able to call them directly and what you are offering stands out so much that they say they're going to give you that contract without doing any bidding. Now, all this still may sound pretty complicated, right? Well, one of the things I'm going to do is have a how to win a government cleaning contract without bidding. And if you'd love to learn more about exactly what that looks like, step by step by step, then what I'd love for you to do is click the link in the description. It's going to take you to more details that you can understand exactly what the process is. Now, I've given you the four agencies, and we like to talk about this like low-hanging fruit. It hangs low, and it is something that you can go up and pick in easily, a lot easier than you could ever imagine, win a no bid contract. $3,000 to $250,000 has to be set aside for small businesses. And I'm quite sure a lot of you that are looking at this video right now fall into that category of a small business. So if that's you, that I've given you all the things you need to do. You need to get that website up. You need to make sure that you register with SAMS. Do you have to register with SAMS for a no bid? No, because you can do no bids in your state and you can do local no bids. But I would definitely encourage you registering in SAM's. The third thing is you're going to get your introduction letter up, because there's all kinds of ways that you can win bids, from sources sought to all of the different ways that I've mentioned in this video and previous videos. But if you're still a little confused and you're like, can that really be possible? Then I'd like for you to click the link in the description and get all the details on how I've taught this. I have people in our Facebook group that have won no bids over and over again. So it's definitely doable, and they're doing it right now. So if you'd like to get right to it, and with no chaser, you just want to get right to it, then go ahead and sign up for the workshop, the no bidding workshop, how to win government cleaning bids without any bidding. This is going to be one of the most times that it's really, really, relevant, because a lot of individuals have money left over and they want to spend it, and they want to spend it on your services. So starting towards this time of the year, they have more disposable income and they want to spend it on cleaning, among other things. So if this sounds like something you've been waiting to get started in, you've been finding those excuses, go ahead, look at the description, get the information, and get started and get some of that low-hanging fruit. And next thing you know, you're winning contract after contract after contract. So go ahead, get all the moving parts together. Let's get started. And I hope I see you at the next video. I hope that you click the link in the description, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.